Alright, here we are with our puppies for the 18th. They're all looking really good. They're up, moving around and doing stuff. They're all being puppies. You hear them grunting. They're good little dogs. They're all in really good spirits. It's actually the first time they've been outside all together. Had a couple of them out back and forth, but they're good dogs. They're good dogs, good puppies. There's a little independent one. Aren't you, big dog? They're so cute. They're just so cute. You know, the second I sit down, they're all gonna come running. So let's see if that happens. No, guess I was wrong. Puppies as far as you can see. They'll be weaned next Saturday. So they got about another week to go with Mom. That's about it. And then we're just going to start doing shots the week after that. They have to be off the mom before we can start giving vaccines. Don't you, little dog? Oh yeah. Here they come. Here come the troops. Good dogs. Good doggies. Uh-huh. Alright, that's about all I got for you today. And the puppies are all doing real good, and just wanted to let you guys know that we'll be doing this every week. Thanks, bye.